Hey, Jeff.
As hard and fast, all the way to the other end as you can.
Graham. We're going to run here. See this blue bunker right here? Run, make a hard left, and there's going to be a giant building over there. We're going to run right into it. Ready, Chumley?
Yo, they just set the clock back to 10 mics.
10 minutes? Going green building.
I'll keep trucking. Cool.
Yep.
I'm going faster.
Ready?
You boys ready? Yep. We're waiting for this all week.
Antonio, we're going to Frog Bog, green building.
Hey, where we going?
We can't make it any further because it's open after that.
Frog Bog.
30.
30 seconds.
Because Antonio, after that, it's open. After that, it's just open ground. Will shoot us.
That piece of pizza, my God!
All right, come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
We're good.
Watch out,
Let's try to run up. Stop pushing. This is a bad spot.
We're going at the end of the fort,
Fuck, I'm hit. I'm hit. Where are they?
Let's hear some noise! Let's go! Come on! Let's hear some noise! Let's go!
Something up there that we can get to? There's too much fire going on through here, dude. We're not going to be able to move it back here.
Oh no. Can't do it, too much fire. You want to try and make it to the sniper tower? Sniper tower. You're running around. Run. Huh? I know. Pete! 3, 2, go, 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 go! Yep, I see him. I see him. Not yet. Oh. Got you in the legs. I'm good, I'm good. I need you to look up. They could probably run at us. Nowhere. Watch that side. They're at. I have no angle. That guy's got a good shot on me. I got guys right here looking at ours. Appreciate it. He's got a beat on me.
Nobody.
They know we're here though.
Yeah, they know we're here.
Yep. They know I'm here. I don't know if they think you here.
No, there's actually there.
From the tower?
Yeah, no.
From uphill on the bunk buildings? Fuck. I'm going back out right here. I got no angle on that guy over there. Nico! 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 Get Nico's to call Nico.
Nico!
No, that guy got fucked right there. Pete! Pete! Pete!
Oh, shit.
Behind us, behind us, behind us. Be over there.
Grab your leg, you are out, you are out! Clear, right in the back, you are out!
I'm out?
Right in your back. Shot right here.
Oh, I didn't feel anything.
Here you go.
Thanks, man.